If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. Opportunities lie in the place where the complaints are. Your attitude is more important than your capabilities. Similarly, your decision is more important than your capabilities. Never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. You should learn from your competitor, but never copy. Copy and you die. Success and profitability are outcomes of focusing on customers and their needs.